Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is how to mastering the art of expressing your feelings. Our feelings. The truth is that it is not always easy for a person to easily express his feelings without hesitation in the right way. Of course, many factors play a role, from the environment we grow up to the way we perceive any stimulus in the course of our lives. In this presentation, we will show how to unlock the power of our emotions. Let's start by designing the title slide. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area, we have placed the colors we will be using along with the hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this presentation, we will play with the colors of the image and the rectangles. First, we will color the background. Right-click, Format Background. We choose Fill Gradient Fill. We put 4 gradient stops. First gradient stop, we choose the color eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. Second gradient stop, we choose color eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. Third color eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. And the last fourth gradient stop, color eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. We close Format Background, and now we want to insert the image. We go to Insert Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Now we want to insert 2 parallelograms. We go to Insert, Shapes, Basic Shapes. We choose parallelogram, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape, Format, Size, Height, the same, 19.05, and width 6.7 centimeters, or if you have inches in your settings, it's about 2.63 inches. We go to the yellow dot and we reduce the size of the parallelogram. We want another parallelogram. Right click, copy, right click, paste, and we go to Shape, Format, Rotate, Flip Horizontal, and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to go to the image and crop it. Picture format, click the image, picture format, crop, choose the crop command. We go and increase the size of the image. And with the help of black lines, we adjust it inside the parallelograms. Click outside, and that's the result. We go to the parallelograms, to the first and the second. We go and right click Format Object, gradient fill and we choose 4 gradient stops. The first gradient stop, color, eyedropper. We choose the first from the rectangle and parallelograms colors from the left side outside of the design area. The second gradient stop, color, eyedropper. Again we choose outside of the design area. The third the same, and the fifth we keep the same. Now we go to line, solid line, color white, width 2.25 points, and close. Now we want to insert a rectangle. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area to frame the title, drag and release it. It's about 8 centimeters. 8. Right click, format shape. We want 4 gradient stops. The first gradient stop we choose eyedropper, click from the left side outside of the design area. The second gradient stop the same color again, eyedropper, click outside of the design area. The third gradient stop, eyedropper, the same, and the fourth we keep it the same. We go to line, solid line, color white, width 2.25. We close format shape and right click, send to back. Now we want to insert our title. We go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose font Banscript Light, size 36. To go to color, eyedropper, we choose the color of the title from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title, shift apostrophe, unlocking the power of emotion. Mastering the art of expressing your feelings. Close apostrophe. We want to go again, eyedropper, we choose OK, and bold. We adjust the title. And put it in the desired position. Okay, we go to format shape again to go and adjust the gradient stops. And that's it. Now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to font, we choose again Banscript Light, size 28, color with eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside the design area, the last color, and we write our presenter's name, by Martha G. Santos. And now we want to insert a rectangle, a small rectangle. We go to insert text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. Wrong. We go to insert, click shapes, choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, shape fill with eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape format, shape outline, no outline. And now it's time for animation. Before you start with the animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go first from the parallelogram, the first parallelogram. We go to animation, entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the second parallelogram, entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the image, we choose entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as it is. We go to the big rectangle, we choose entrance zoom, start after previews, duration 1. We go to the title, entrance wipe, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options from top as one object. We go to the presenter's name, entrance wipe, start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options from top as one object. Go to the rectangle, entrance wipe, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options from top. And now we go to see at the slideshow button, we click it to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!